Hey sellers, I know it's crazy having to provide so much evidence just to counter return, refund disputes, right? But don't worry, I've found a way to make it easier. Alright, let's walk through this step by step. Step 1, I head over my logs where I can see all of the orders that the systems recorded. I locate the tracking code for the order causing the issue. As you can see, the log shows me the date, the time, and even the packing station. Before anything else, I hit preview to quickly check out the video. Once I've confirmed everything looks good, I hit download. Now I can send this video straight to the marketplace, but I prefer to send the verification link instead. So here I copy the verification link. Now, I know you're curious, so I paste the verification link to see what's what. This link is also embedded right into the video, along with the other crucial information. So this is so beautiful. You can't change the link on the video or the database unless you record a brand new video. So it's make it impossible to submit a fake video with this verification link. Plus, the date and timestamp in the video make it impossible for sellers to recreate. And that's it. With this solid video evidence, I've saved my time, a ton of time and headache. You find the link in the description. That's this guy. Happy selling.